Welcome to KH Computers. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of replacing the thermal paste on the Dell Inspiron 5575 P75F with AMD Ryzen 5 processor. If your laptop is overheating, the fan runs constantly, or performance feels sluggish, this tutorial will help restore its cooling and efficiency. First, power off the laptop, disconnect the charger, and remove the battery if possible. Using a precision screwdriver, open the bottom cover carefully and lift it without damaging any clips. Inside, you'll find the cooling fan and heatsink. Disconnect the fan cable, then unscrew and remove the heatsink gently. Clean off the old thermal paste from both the processor and the heatsink using a microfiber cloth or isopropyl alcohol until the surfaces are completely clean. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of fresh thermal paste in the center of the Ryzen processor and reattach the heatsink by tightening the screws evenly in a cross pattern. Finally, reconnect the fan, close the bottom cover, and power on your system. You'll notice a cooler temperature, quieter operation, and improved performance instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KH Computers for more professional laptop repair tutorials and hardware upgrade guides.